Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shivan's Tech part 3 of customizing storage tank along with the as per drawing along with the every nozzles and complete storage tank. So guys, we have placed nozzles in the previous video from N1 to N5. Now in this video we are going to place nozzle 6, nozzle 7 and the main hole. So let's start guys without wasting our time. Now first of all we will go and place N6. So nozzle 6 is basically of 50 mm 300 pressure rating. So now we will go to place nozzle command. Just click here. Now select the datum point. Now give the name N6 and make it 2 inch because it will be 50 mm only. Pressure rating is 300 only. And the length we will give it little more because what is happening in this, it will come from here to there this way. Alright, so this is the way how we are going to do, because this will be little longer and this will be till here only inside. Okay, so now we will go ahead now go to the location. The location will come like what will be the distance from here to here. It will be 4800 minus 4200. So it will be 4800 minus 4210, it is 590. So I have entered the 590 mm here, N1. N2 I have entered 905, but in this case it will not be 905, let us make it 705. But here what will happen guys, we cannot use this because this radial type placement. Here we need to use tangential type. So what are different type of nozzles when we are placing we need to give. So I hope it is clear for you guys. So now we are going to make 590, 705 and here I will make it 0 mm because there will be no distance I want. I want exactly at this x, y side, and then I will make it at a degree. So now this N3 will be from this point to this 530. This will be 530. So now I'll enter 530 mm here. Now here I'll give 0 degree. I'll say finish. Now we will see this has been placed here. Let's see how it is going. Okay, so now we can see we have placed this nozzle, and if we are looking, it is coming perfectly like N7. But we need this at the N6 location. So what exactly we need to do is, we need to change this property a little bit. Let's do it and trial. Go to the properties. If I entered minus and I click apply, this has been reached to this location, whatever I wanted. So this is N6 came at the perfect location now. So now let's move to the next nozzle is N7. So now we will go again to the same command, place nozzle. I'll select again the datum point. Now in the occurrence I'll give the name N7 and N7 is of 207 is of 50 mm again and 300 pressure rating. 2 inch pressure rating 300, same standard. This is raised face flange end. We will give the same length. Now if you go to the location, we need to give everything similar. This time we will not give the minus. Okay, let's say okay. So okay guys, now if we see, we have placed all the nozzles. 6 and 7 nozzles are here at this point. But if you see as per this drawing, N6 and N7, if you look out in this view, front view, so N6 and N7. So I hope it is clear for you guys till now that how we can place these nozzles, all the nozzles. So I want you guys to go and try different types of nozzles, how we will place. The placement type I used tangential because I want tangential, like I want exactly this degree, then I want this distance. If you want radial, just without any distance, just give degree and it will be working like that. If you want axial, axial will be useful like when you want at a particular angle, and that will be at along with the degree also. So there will be two things like, but as per a requirement, as per this image, you can understand what exactly you want. Skew. Skew will be useful when we place some kind of pressure indicator, thermocouple, thermometers. When we go something that is going inside from the side, we can use this skew type nozzle. And when we go for the offset skew is, we have a degree and we want offset from that degree, so that will be used for the offset skew. There is one more is position by point, that I will see it now when we will place the manhole. I will show you guys. So I will cancel it. N6 and N7 has been placed in this. We can look out. This is perfectly as per the drawing. Now what we need to do, we need to place the next is manhole. So I will show you the placement of manhole along with the two way how we can place. This is 230. So basically the depth of this nozzle is 230. M1 is basically of 300 pressure rating. No, sorry. And the size is 450. So there are two things how we can place. Same procedure, go to place nozzle. Select the datum point. So here when we are going to place, we can try this one. Okay. So now what will be the distance from here to here? N1. N1 will be like from this point to till the head of this point. We need to change the length, nozzle length. Nozzle length will be, I want at 230. Let me try 230, and this length will be from this point to this point. So basically that will be 5790 minus 230. No, this will be 5790 minus 380. 5790 minus 380. What we are doing, we need location from here to till here, but we have this complete 5790, so we are going to minus this 380, and just enter 5410. So we will give here is 5410. Second is N2, but I don't want N2 anything, so I will give 0 because I want at the center. OR1, I don't want OR1 also, I will keep it 0. Now let's see how it is going to be placed. Okay, this looks good, but the problem is we did not give the size. So I'll go change the properties. I need to select the appropriate size here. This is M1, manhole 1, and this is going to be the 450 mm. Basically this will be 18 inches, pressure rating 300, and all other thing looks okay. This is okay. I'll say okay. This is one way how we have placed this manhole, but this is little less. So what I going to do, I don't want like this. I will be making it more longer because it is not perfectly placed. I'll make it 260. I'll apply this. Yeah, because it should be merged. Now it is exactly at the center location. Now we can see from any view, it is exactly at the center. So I hope this point is clear to you guys. Now we will see how we can place this manhole along with a different method. Like this is one thing. I'll do it right now. This is having a connection with this datum point. What all nozzles we have placed till now, all these are having relation with this datum point. If you want to place without a datum point, how we can place any nozzle? So for that, what we need to do, just go to this place nozzle command. You can directly select any equipment, or let's suppose I selecting datum point also, no problem. Just select anything. In that case, you can select directly equipment also. Let I'll show you with the equipment. Just go to place nozzle, select this equipment, give any name like M1. Let's suppose I'll show you, and I give the same properties, everything. Now I'll go to the location. Instead of selecting the placement type, I'll go and select position by point. I'll click OK. So when I do position by point means I can place it anywhere. Like if I want, I can place it here, just above this. If you want, I can place it any other way, or I can place it outside and I can rotate. I'll show you. I will rotate it and I will place it in the back side. So now I'll go rotate this. I selected the move command. I need to select this, make this rotate. So we need to do rotate with reference to this, basically EL, up and down. If I make it 180, yeah, exactly, it has been moved now. So now my scenario requirement will be, I need to shift it, fix it. I want to pick it up from this point, so that will be easy for me. But now it is picking from there only. Okay. I will place it now because I wanted to place it at center. Now I'll select this. I'll give this point. Now I can place it like this anywhere. And that's it. Here we have not give the reference of datum point, and in this way we have given the reference of datum point also. So this is something that we can place it anywhere, in any way we can place it. So I hope it is clear for you guys. If you still have any confusion, any clarification you require, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be more happy to let you know. So in this third part we have finished all the nozzle placement. In the next video we will be looking now I'll delete this in this one because we have not placed it properly. Okay, I'll delete this. And if you have any confusion till now, just let me know in the comment section, guys. And in the next video we will be placing the saddle, because in this completion of this drawing, everything we have done, we just need to place these two saddles. So stay tuned to the next video, guys, and thank you so much for your support.